Hello, it's Ken from smartforexeducation.com. Daily review, 2nd of July 2013. So essentially what we've seen here, this is a daily time frame on gold, and basically what we've seen here, yesterday we spoke that potentially be looking for a continuation to the upside from the short cover rally. And as a trader, you need to be really aware, because if you're aggressively short from this continuation move to the downside, it's very important that hopefully you've actually cut the trade, because if you had been short at a high price, for example around $1,388 an ounce, you've clearly seen that the market has moved in your favor. Net short positions, aggressively short from hedge funds, institutions, mutual fund traders. But what we've seen now is people are now starting to cash in, to bank their profits, and then basically sit on the sidelines. You also have some bargain hunters that were looking at entering at these lows purely based on the news that came out last Friday, Michigan confidence. That was the catalyst for this move higher. And yesterday was very, very interesting, because what we saw on a smaller time frame here yesterday, that the market continued to move higher. It was slowly decreasing to the downside, and then as soon as the US markets opened, at 15:30 CET time, you just saw a bounce, from the 1,233 all the way up by about $30. So it's very aggressive. The ranges are very, very large. So you cannot have a $5 stop in this type of market. You need to have $20, $30 stops, because it's so easy. If you can catch the direction right, you'll do extremely well. But if you don't, you can really get caught out. So where are the targets? Where are the next opportunities? Well, I still have the trend line resistance level in place from these higher prices here. What you can also do, which might be wise, which I suggest, is to draw in a Fibonacci retracement level. If I just take it from this high down to this significant low, so I have it here at the 25% level is around 1,287. We also have slightly higher up, but higher likely is going to get there, today. But you may see that this market will steady try and move around. This will be the target. So if you're in a trade to the upside now, the initial short-term target will be $1,291 an ounce, and then we can reassess the situation, and hopefully by then we can actually draw in some trend lines. So hopefully you're trading, you're making some profit. If you're trading using your current broker, fantastic for the longer term plays. If you're interested in the short term scalping type scenarios or the shorter term plays because you're slightly weary of the longer term, then what I suggest is that you go to a site called www.binaryo.com. It's a binary options site, and essentially they have a social trading tab where you can basically copy other traders based on their percentage. Pretty nifty. And also they have the limit order in 60 seconds. So that's something I definitely recommend. Just pop over, open an account, fund it, I think with a minimum of $250, and then you can essentially start rocking and rolling. And yeah, so good luck with the trading, and speak to you